are physical interactions between two or more cells, which can be mediated by proteins, ligands, sugars or other biomolecules. Protein interactions. PPIs are physical interaction between two proteins, often involved in structural systems, signal transduction or metabolic processes. Differentially expressed genes are identified as more highly, or lowly, expressed in one condition versus the other after comparison of their expression values between two conditions. Genes with restricted, constitutive or unusual pattern of expression are quantified accordingly to their characteristics to avoid miscalculation or underestimation of signals. Operational taxonomic unit, a definition used to classify groups of closely related organisms. DNA sequences can be clustered according to their similarity to one another, and operational taxonomic units are defined based on the similarity threshold, usually 97% similarity, set by the researcher. Retrieved from https://www.hindawi.com. Journal/2003/3930029/ https://www.nature.com/articles. S41576-020-00292X #sector22. The nervous system is highly vulnerable to various internal and external factors which could lead to acute or chronic neurodegeneration. The morphological basis of dysfunction after injury involves loss of integrity of the extracellular matrix, neuronal circuitry, and synaptic activity and plasticity. See thymus below. The primary injury enables a huge variety of developmentally related biomolecules to stimulate the process of regeneration. Extracellular proteins, cell adhesion molecules, neurotrophic factors, as well as different organic and inorganic compounds of the nervous tissue are necessary for recovery after injury. However, the secondary injury as well as further degeneration of the surrounding tissue could be prevented by reactivation and recruitment of a plethora of cell signals, such as growth factors, neurotransmitters, extracellular matrix, proteases, cell adhesion, and recognition molecules.
With epigenetics, we need to discover how to improve thymic hormone function and cell health, including cell-mediated immunity that reduces anxiety with increased self-directed neuroplasticity.
What is GenBank? GenBank registered is the NIH Genetic Sequence Database, an annotated collection of all publicly available DNA sequences. Learning disabilities, https://www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov/gene/?. Term equals homo plus sapiens plus learning plus disabilities. Note: COMT22 catechol-O-methyltransferase catalyzes the transfer of a methyl group from S-adenosylmethionine to catecholamines, including the neurotransmitters dopamine, epinephrine, and norepinephrine. Furthermore, catechol-O-methyltransferase, COMT22, an enzyme that is involved in the degradation of catecholamine neurotransmitters, example, dopamine, epinephrine, and norepinephrine, can affect executive functions involved in cognitive flexibility, impulse control, abstract thought, and the ability to follow instructions. 1, 2, 3.